Hi, this is Jeremy Moskowitz. In this video, we're going to talk about how to bypass internal item level targeting filters using PolicyPak Application Settings Manager. So if you're watching this video, probably likely that we sent you here to try to overcome internal item level targeting. Well, what does that mean? It means you might have a pack and a different version of the application. So here is an old and crusty version of WinZip. This is a WinZip 14. We actually have a pack for this, but pretend we don't. And let's pretend we also had a pack for a WinZip 18. So you go to your eSales users and you say WinZip 18 security config, okay? And then you click edit here, and you're using Application Settings Manager, so that's PolicyPak Apps and Browsers, Application Settings Manager here. Right-click New Application, and we've got WinZip 18, okay? Again, I know we have a pack for WinZip 14. I'm just playing pretend. So you go here, and you try to do the work. So you go to Passwords, and you change all four of these checkboxes, and the darn thing doesn't work. And I'm going to prove that it doesn't work by just going over here, running a quick GP update here, and giving this a minute to settle in. Okay, here we go. Now that that's done, again, this isn't going to work. And why doesn't it work? Well, you've got a mismatch. You've got a mismatch between the version of WinZip and the pack version. Now, we might not have a pack for the thing you're trying to do, but you can try it anyway. Sometimes old packs will work magically for newer applications. You just have to say, I'm using a new version. And how do we do that? Well, the idea is that inside the pack's guts, okay, if you double click on the setting that you had here, and you go to Options, there is internal So what do we do next? We're going to double click inside the application's guts, click on Options, go to Predefined Item Level Targeting, and go to Off. Now what this says is try anyway. So let's go ahead and see what happens now. I'll go run GP update here and give this another second to settle in. Now that that's done, let's go ahead and just close this off, and then we'll go to WinZip again, and let's take a look. Options, config, passwords. Look at that, it's magic! So what's happening underneath the hood? Well, I've got the PolicyPak Design Studio here, and here's the WinZip AppSet kind of preloaded here. Basically, what's happening underneath the hood is if you go to Project Properties and check out the internal item level targeting, look at that! We're only going to write the value when this is WinZip. Well, it says 28 to 99, and I don't know why, but in WinZip land, 18 is 28 and 14 is 9. I don't know. It's really weird. The point is that this version, we're only going to write when we see the right version on the machine. So when we say bypass item level targeting, which you saw me do inside the GPO itself and inside the policy itself, all we're doing, what are we doing? We're overcoming it by saying predefined item level targeting off, and then you're done. That's all there is to it. If you wanted to understand the advanced piece, like I just said, by going into the app set itself and changing the value, you're welcome to do that, but it's an advanced technique. I'm just showing you about what's happening underneath the hood, but you don't have to do that. All right, I hope this video helps you out, and looking forward to getting you on the road with PolicyPak Application Settings Manager. Thanks.